Yeah. Let's see what we got here. So we got to get rid of basically all the metal, you see. Huh?
The lighting in there is terrible.
That's all. I think it's all concrete. Like,
Yeah.
the metal.
Yeah.
That's all I'm trying to go there too. I was using this. Yep. Yeah. Like. I got one of them construction. See what I'm doing.
Real quick, yeah. Pause here. All right. I don't even know if I'm getting back in there, you know? Yeah. See if that budges.
Yeah.
It's like
Me and my mom and the real estate people. What's this going crazy? My mom just went to the wire transfer, she's freaking out.
That number sounds crazy.
Run out too, Paul. Huh? His tanks might be running out. How the hell are we gonna get the brake bar? It's moving, it's moving.
Hold on.
put it up there.
Hold on, it's moving, Paul.
Look, put it in there. Bring it this way.
Alright, let's go.
Here, you want to use the torch?
No.
They built that frame and poured the concrete in there.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yeah, see right here, I'll show you. Hold on.
What? Did the video, they had it.
Here's what we're gonna do.
Be the harder side, I think.
Well,
But it's the same.
Top plate was the
Yeah.
thickest.
So we can do the same thing.
we can. Are they gonna come on?
Yeah, but
Literally, okay. You remember you said if it's part of it, if I
yeah, because it won't bend because that angle right.
That ain't gonna bend.
Yeah, if the angle won't.
Use the weight of that.
that,
Bust it
the
loose. We're gonna do it. All right, let's do this.
I'm gonna poke it through the part. Right.
We're supposed to get that out of the ground.
He didn't.
Three-quarter inch. Ah! See that little area? Piece out. Put it right on top. Woo! I told you it was gonna be. I got it, Paul! You ready to start tugging on this? Is that mine? No. Where'd that come from? Is it ready to start tugging on?
Yeah, just put it out where you can get to it up there. It's at the very top. You don't need to ladder.
Here, TJ, get to it from over here. Grab a water or two. There might be another one up there. So where's the other? You need the light? Okay. Where's my bar? Right here.
Oh, you're right. I'm getting it that way.
You might have to tip that out. Where's my tipping handle? Where's Lee?
Oh,
Lee!
I don't know how deep that was. That thing was kind of deep. Oh, you see how far I went through it?
Let's get it right back in there. Wait. Let's use this thing. Somehow we gotta hook it up to there. Grab that red thing. Lee's a good rigger. You budget? Hook this up, Lee.
Okay.
Somehow we gotta hook it up to here. Let's figure out a way to hook it onto that.
No. Yes, sir.
I'm not catching.
It's not?
No.
That thing, I'm telling you, we chipped on it and chipped on it.
Leverage. I don't think it's gonna work.
I don't think they did.
An issue for that. If we need to.
Got that out. This is what this looks like here. We're hoping the same thing.
Well, I got.
Smoky in there.
See, what I was thinking is making a hook here.
Go to
I ain't
the
want to go
truck.
away.
A little notch for the chain.
I got mine up in the room.
Framing to where I can wrap around here.
Okay.
And then
We can pull that down. That's fine then. You can leave.
There ain't no other hook. They wasn't
Oh,
on
that's
there.
it. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Looks like it. Tell me when you're tightening it up, Lee.
What I'll do is, like I said, I'll take a 2x4. I'll bring my 2x4 wall.
Instead of going up there.
Yeah. You got to where the hook is from.
Yes, we do. Right? Cut a hole right there.
You have to notch it like
Yeah, that's bold.
Only thing I hit.
You got burn some more?
Maybe,
I think we need to reset that. Put a hole in this right here.
To put our chain through.
Put our chain through. Let's go ahead and get the chain.
So y'all, let me hurry and try to get the job done, y'all. He got enough room to build a door. He gonna cover that up, everything else, but this side completely gone. W Mobile Welding Services at your service.